This is a $5, literally cost me £5 mini RC car, and it can do drifts and all sorts, and it charges with USB type C as well. This is literally £5, which is insane. And on top of that, it's got lights. Look at that. So let's go straight into the unboxing of this Micro Drift RC car. So it is a 1:64 ratio. They call it the Micro Simulated Drifting Remote Control Car. We've got a few pictures over here of the actual car. You can see you've got lights, proportional, type C charging. Pretty cool. Nice little box over here. Looks pretty cool. Normally, like boxes from like toys and stuff that are from like China and stuff, they're normally just really plain simple boxes. But I like that they went all out here, made it look pretty cool. So you got simulation ratio, 2 gears of speed, 4-wheel drive, drift stunt function, 2.4 GHz strong signal, a hollow cup motor. And then you got different options over here as well. Actually, if you see here, you got different models, different colors. You can see the one that we got is the blue Porsche looking car, whereas that one looks a bit more like a BM looking car. Of course, they can't actually make it look exactly like a Porsche or BM because of copyright, so they made it look similar. We've got the actual remote control over here, so you can see turn left, turn right, go forward and backwards. Got the power switch, 2-speed switching, so you can switch your speed, and then you can turn on and off lights button as well, all through this remote control. Let's dive straight in. Let's see what's inside this box, shall we? So, opening it up, let's have a quick look and see what we get inside. Sorry, got a bunch of that stuff on there. I got a user manual, of course. Always have to have a user manual. Nice little drawing. That looks completely different to the one on there, but I guess it kind of looks the same. Got the user manual over here as well, and also the instructions on the remote control. Yada yada yada. I would recommend reading the user manual, but whoever does read the user manual. So I have already gone and checked out everything in here, made sure it's all working before. What do we have in here? We got our USB Type A to Type C cable. It is a very cheap USB cable. It's just a twin wire as well. Wow, I ain't seen them in a long time. Very cheap cable. We've got a small little Phillips screwdriver as well. That would be to change the batteries on the remote control. And then we've got some like these little traffic cone things that you can play around with. We've got altogether 1, 2, 3, 4 of these cones. So you can do little drifting skills. I'm probably going to be horrendous at this. In this, of course, cheap plastic that they always come in. But I'm not complaining. This costs like £5. Like, this car literally cost $5 for a little mini remote control car. That's crazy. Look how tiny it is. Like, that's insane that this tiny little thing works as remote control. You can see here we've got Type C port over here. Build quality is actually really good. I think the casing's actually metal. It feels like metal anyway. Like, not the most premium metal, but like, you know, pretty decent quality. And the wheels, like, oh, you can see here, the 4-wheel drive. You can see where I twist the bottom wheels, the others move. Awesome. Got a switch here for powering on and off. You can also adjust the alignment of the front wheels as well, just like a big RC car. It's crazy. It's honestly just like a big RC car. The paint job on this actually looks really good. Wow, I'm actually really impressed for the price of this. This honestly, this looks insane. Right, let's switch this on. And you can see, oh my god, it's got headlights. That is insane. And rear lights. Wow. Wow, okay, that is really cool. And it's got lights underneath, these little green ones that flash. Man, that's awesome. Let's check out the remote control here. And the really loud, noisy packaging. Here we have the remote control. Remote control's pretty cheap. Very cheap plastic. Yeah. Not the best. With the on and off switch over here, so you can switch it on and off. Oh, there we go. Forward, back, and then of course we have the lights on, lights off. We've got the different speeds. You can flick through, and then of course we have the steering. Oh man, that is insane. I mean, they fitted all this technology into such a tiny little thing. Look at the steering wheel. Literally turn the steering wheel and the wheels turned. That is very, very cool. Let's give this a go, shall we? So here we have it zoomed out. I mean, it's going to take me some time to get used to it, but that is so cool. It's so quick. That's really cool, man. For £5, look at that. That is awesome. And the build quality is so good. I mean, the only thing that's cheap is literally remote control, but it's not even that bad. Like, it's decent. It still looks pretty good and premium. Remote control only takes 2 AA batteries, which you just do with the screwdriver there. And then you're good to go. It just straight away connects to the car and it starts working. And wow, this is really, really cool. I mean, what more can I say? It is awesome. It is awesome. And you can play around with this all day long. This is cool. Right. Let's bring it over to us. Right. I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. This is amazing. For the price and for what you get, that's shocking. For £5, for $5, you get a remote control mini RC car. That's insane. Yeah, this is really, really cool. And it comes with all these lights as well. It's more than what I expected, to be honest with you. And like, even when I press, it's so the detail. When I press reverse, that's when the brake light turns on. Look at that. Like, that's just so cool. That is just so cool. Right. If you're interested in purchasing this, I'll try and find a link. I'll put it down below in the description. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. This is pretty sick.